everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video we'll be discussing about shaving our face. So guys, I do shaving once in 10 days or once in a week, like that. I do get messages in Instagram like does shaving grow your hair back like a beard? So I do get a lot of messages, so I'm going to answer all those questions. What are the things you need to keep in your mind, and what are the things you should not do, and how I do. So there are everyone has their own method of shaving, so this is something I follow my own method. So guys, hope you will like this video. If you are new to my channel, take a moment to subscribe and click the bell icon. Whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, first thing is first, shaving is important or not. So guys, everyone has their own preference. See, I do, as a blogger, I do a lot of makeup. I need my face to be very clean, very prepped, and the foundation should be very smooth in while applying. So while if you remove your hairs and all, the foundation will apply very smoothly, and you can see a lot of peach fuzz also get removed. And when you touch your face after once you shaved your face, it will be very smooth. I really like that thing, and I don't want any hair to peek through when I'm taking photos. So these are the things I wanted to shave. The things you need to for shaving. So this is the razor. So this is a kind of a razor. It's called facial razor. I got it from Amazon. It's the brand called Tinkle. So you get 3 razors in a pack. I don't know the exact price. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can check that out. And you need a tissue paper to clean the thing. So, and one more thing, people ask me, after once you shave the face, will the hairs growing back will be thick or thin, or how it will be? So guys, it is not like that. See, as you can see, I have been shaving my face last 1 year. Do you see any beardness on my face? No. So it will not grow, guys. How well when you born, how the thickness density of the hair was growing, it will be same, and it will grow very slowly. And sometimes on this portion it will grow a little faster. So I generally remove my hairs in this portion, like mustache portion, once in 3 days or 4 days. When I see the lot of hair is growing, at that time I will shave, otherwise I don't shave. And one more thing you have to keep in your mind, that when you have an active pimple, please avoid shaving. So you might just cut your pimple, so that shouldn't be happen. So that's why whenever I have a acne, I'll just leave that. I'll make sure the pimple to calm down, and after that only I'll do my shaving. Right now I have a lot of hair in this portion. I just removed 2 days back. I just wanted to film a video, so I wanted to remove at this portion, but I did not remove on this portion. And I have a pimple right here, as you can see, one pimple here and one more pimple here. I'm going to leave those 2 pimples, and I'm gonna show you, because I wanted to remove this hair, guys. It's weekend. I wanted to film for my Instagram, so I thought this would be a right time to show you. So yeah, I'm gonna start shaving my face. First thing is first, you should cleanse your face. You should not have any kind of oiliness or greasiness. You should clean your face thoroughly. I just cleanse my face and come back. So right now I'm gonna take this razor. I'm gonna start from this portion, because in this portion only I have a lot of hair. So I'm gonna just pull my skin like that. I'm going to do in a slanted motion. You should not keep like that. You should be slanted, and very slowly. Yeah. Ooh, guys, as you can see, I have a lot of hair at both that area. So I'm going to clean with the tissue paper, as you can see. So again, I'm gonna just pull back. You should make your skin very tight. So when you do threading, you keep your eyebrows very tight. No, so the same thing applies to this. I can feel that when I touch my face it's very smooth. I don't feel that hair thing and all. So I'm going to do my forehead as well. Most of the time I'll remove my forehead hairs while doing threading, so I don't do any thing for my eyebrows. Once in 10 days I go to parlor to remove my eyebrow thing. So right now I'm not going out now, so I wanted to do for my forehead also. So make sure very careful while doing on your eyebrow thing. You might cut your eyebrows, so make sure very careful. So guys, I'm gonna show you how much hair my face had. So as you can see, I removed all of my hair, and peach was also came. So this is the benefit of shaving. So after shaving my face, I'll just clean my face with a plain water. I have already cleansed my face. This is to remove any hairs is left over. I'm gonna just wash my face and I'll be back. I'm just gonna clean my face like in a plain water. So my skin feels very soft now, guys. I'm gonna put some toner. It's a facial toner from Bilva. It's a pure vetiver water. I just like to spray it on my face. So it helps to refreshes and gives that very calming, cooling effect. So if you have a sensitive skin, it takes little bit time to settle down, but I don't have any sensitive thing, so it doesn't hurt me. And guys, I want to share a few points to tell you guys. If you have a lot of hair, you can go for laser as well. It's very expensive, but this method is very inexpensive. And I feel don't go for waxing, because see, they put wax and they just pull your hair, so it might end up making your skin wrinkle at point when you age. So I don't prefer waxing. This is something very nice method, very inexpensive. You can do it in your home itself. Initially it feel that you may get hairs grow thicker, but it doesn't grow like that, guys. Whatever you have a natural hair when you born, so the same density, thickness will be there. So if you have a thick hair, it will grow thick only. If you have a very thin small hair, it will grow small only. So don't worry about it, guys. So toner has been dried. I'm gonna put some moisturizer now. So I'm gonna moisturize my face thoroughly. So guys, that's pretty much I do, and this is how I do shave my face. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. And if you have any doubts about this shaving, please let me know in the comments. I will clear it, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that's pretty much, guys, for this video. Do follow me on my Instagram as well, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.